What's going on again, YouTube and people who are watching this? I'm surprised people watch this even, but picked up some new springs and shocks for the R31, so I've got them right there and I'm going to fit them today. I've got my spring compressors there, so I'm just going to go down and move this car into my space here in the garage. So hopefully this is going to start. It's been sitting for a while. I'll give you a quick look. Look at old spider webs everywhere. Surprisingly, it's locked. I wonder if it's going to start up for me today. Well, that's promising. Gotta smack it. Beautiful. Straight away. It's RB30 reliableness right there. I can't remember the last time this was fired up, so we'll see if it actually moves. Got brakes. It's always good to have brakes. And work boots there. Close this one. Oh, she moves. What a weapon. Oh, she's a boat. Oh, that water feels a bit shit. That's alright, I don't give a fuck. Park her in here. Mean. So pretty well, first off I gotta undo my 4 nuts there on both sides, jack it up, got old jacky under there, and pull out these 3 on both sides, and that'll bring the strut out. And I think there's another two bolts under there, just like that. So that's like a front coilover, but I'm not using them because screw that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go jack this up, put on stands real quick. Alright, so got the tyres off, got it up on jack stands to keep myself safe from death. So having a little inspection here. Got some springs there, got to pull this beast out. That brake line does not look the very greatest, so we'll focus on that. Yeah, that's gonna split, but that's alright. Brakes are overrated. No, I'll get that replaced with some braid. But there's 2 bolts on the bottom there that go into the ball joint. So you just got to undo them, 1 on each side. And these 3 at the top, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, well, I didn't film it because there was a lot of shenanigans going out the front. But anyway, I got that off. had to use spring compressors and you just compress them down, so pulls the load off this, that sits there on top of that, and that nut goes on there, which is from here. But yeah, you get the drift. I'll probably film the next one. And also this little thing, this collar, I forgot what the name of it is, but that's what holds the strut in. All I do is got these ghetto things, these vice grips, and I just clamped it on there and gave her a hit with my good old basher here, and it come loose. So just got to unscrew this, pull that collar out, and that's the shocks. And we got a Monroe, but nah, this is pretty rat shit and old, so I got brand newies. So I also got some King springs. These are KDFL 29, so they're lowered, and these ones were just the standard height replacement ones, I guess. Maybe heavy duties. Yeah, I'm not too sure. So I'm just gonna open this box up and throw this new shocky in and rip these springs out. So catch you in a second. So if you're wondering why there's 4 of these collars, there's a whole heap of different threads for the 31, so I guess I just throw all the different threads in it. Let's see if you can see it here. Focus. Well, that's a pretty coarse thread, and this one is a fine thread again, and a coarse thread. So I'll go get my old one wherever I put it. We'll see what we got here. So looks like a coarse thread to me, but to check, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. And that's a match. If it will focus, probably not going to focus, but that's matching. Just believe me, it matches. So we'll put some new ones of them in and throw them in. Oh, also, don't forget to prime it. So yeah, just prime that, I don't know, once or twice, push it all the way down and let it go up again. Just gets rid of any of the air that was in it. So yeah, pretty easy. And then that just slips straight in, so like so. Right in the hole, like so. Should have got this. And So yeah, nothing but dodgy mechanics here, but let's go rip these new springs out of the box. It's real hard one-handed. I have a better idea. Not so much of a good idea. Alright, that just sits in there like that. There is a little guide where that bottom bit sits there. So that's sick. It's awesome. So I was going to put this top hat on, but I'm going to have to pull these spring compressors off. This whole piece of crap. So I'm just going to do that well quick. So I got a little bit frustrated and had to go get something to eat. But I got this side done, as you can see. It's all sitting there nicely. Got the hat on. Mint. Gonna throw that back up in there now. So, yeah, give me a sec.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
So I sort of raged a bit there, but stopped giving 3/5 of fuck all and just went and sent it. Got it all in. It's all down. Sitting nice and low on 14s. I've only done the fronts. But yeah, you can see it up in there, all nice shiny. Not too bad of a clearance. They're only 14-inch rims standard, so when I put some proper wheels on it, it'll be right. Nice. Fucking mint. So yeah, it's just stock now, but just so you know, I do have this junk turbo here, GT3076 turbo manifold. Also box of junk here. We got brand new injectors and airflow meter, braid lines, 45mm gate. What's in there? Fuel pump, boost controllers, spark plugs, lines. Oh, monster boost gauge. Some hand spanners. Yeah, heaps of shit. Coilovers there and there. I've got to put them in the back. That's for another episode. I'll probably do that next. So yeah, stay tuned for that.